welcome back to my channel. So I am going to the city now for my friend's 24th birthday dinner, and we are going golf first, then I think we're going to Strato for dinner, and I'm very excited because we've been planning this for a whole month now, and I'm literally so excited because the hair, makeup and everything just looks so good. Like it just worked out so good with the outfit. The outfit is from Meski. I will tag the link below, but I'm so excited, so let's go. I literally love this dress, it's so cute. Okay, so we ended up coming shopping because we weren't really dressed appropriately according to the place. So we're just gonna go shopping, surprise, but it'll be fun. It's really cold outside as well, so we're just gonna go shopping. And we have the birthday girl, Gops. I'm getting some coffee because just need it. The drive was so long and tiring, so we're just getting some coffee. Thank you. She's got some snacks because we are starving. Which side are you eating from? The other one. You good? Just been sitting in the car for about 20 to 25 minutes just waiting for the restaurant to open, and then we'll get some food, but I'm not really that hungry. I'm not really that hungry right now because we have like dumplings and stuff, but we'll just go for the vibe. Hi, good, thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. This one? Thank you so much. That's so cute. Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, that is so cute. got done with the food and look at the views. The views so nice, but the food was really good. We just got like snacks and stuff, and now we'll go down to the city and just chill and get Five Guys, even though we're not really hungry right now, but maybe later. Oh, damn, you don't even have that much space. Are you sure you have enough space? We got some Five Guys and we're chilling in Crown, about to have some food.